Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really simple iron-on transfer tees that you can make in any design that you like. Recently I decided I wanted to make a matching t-shirt for Frankie and I. I used Canon's iron-on transfer paper and their Pixma printer, and it was so easy. All you need for this project is a couple of cotton t-shirts, a pack of Canon's iron-on transfer paper. Make sure you choose the one that matches the colour of fabric that you're using, a pair of scissors, a design that you want to print, an iron, and a Canon Pixma printer. What I really like about this iron-on transfer paper is you can use pretty much any design that you like. I created this rainbow myself on the computer, but you can also visit Canon's Creative Park website, where they have lots of different designs that you can use. Once you've got your design ready, load the transfer paper into the printer and make sure all the settings are right. Press print and watch your design get printed onto the transfer paper. I have to say, I was pretty excited when this happened. The next thing you need to do is cut out your design. Try to go as close to the edge as you can. Once you've cut out your design, carefully unpeel the striped backing. The next thing you want to do is organise your space so you're ready to iron. I chose to use the table in the kitchen. I then laid down some fabric and a number of pieces of paper to properly protect the surface. Now it's time to put the t-shirt on top. You'll find a piece of parchment that came with the iron-on transfers. Take that and lay it on top of the t-shirt. And now it's time to iron. Make sure to press down really firmly so that the transfer can properly bond to the t-shirt. I love how versatile this idea is. You can do so many different designs. You can do photos, you can do sketches, you can even do finger painting. I hope you guys don't judge me if you see me making these over and over and over and over. You'll be happy to know that Frankie loves it just as much as I do. Here, where's Mummy's rainbow? Here. Thanks guys, see you later.